Hi, I'm Nishant Maheshwari, race director of the JBG Kolkata Trail Run. What a crazy 2020 we had. I hope and wish the best for 2021 for you all. So you all have registered. It's a virtual event. It's a new format, not only for you, but also for us. So I'm here today from the Kolkata trails, from our route, to take you through a little bit of the process. Please go through our event details on the website, which is listed now on the HDOR platform. HDOR is our hosting partner. They're going to facilitate the process of this virtual run syncing data to make all our lives easier. Please go through the event details clearly, the timelines as to when you're going to receive your race kit, how to sync your data, etc. So once you register, you receive two emails. One is the receipt of your payment, and one is the ticket from the town script which you get as to which category you have registered in. Simultaneously, at the same time, you also receive an email from HDOR with a unique registration code. This registration code you need to use to complete your registration on the HDOR platform. You will also get an SMS with the same unique code. Now use this registration code, copy it, go to the HDOR website, and log into your account. If you don't have an account on HDOR, you have to create one. Once you log into your account, you will find the event listed on the dashboard itself. There will be an option of complete your registration. Click on that and paste your code which was sent to you earlier by email and SMS to verify your registration. And that's it, you're done. Your registration completes now. Our event window is open from 10th to 16th of January. What does that mean? It means that you can run on 10th, but there can be something which goes wrong, or there can be a technical glitch and your device can fail you. So you can run on other days as well. So you can run anywhere, anytime, multiple times from 10th to 16th of January and sync your data, and the system will pick the best run. Now the question arises that how do I sync my data? Once you are in the HDOR account, you need to go to settings. Go to settings, you will find the option of connected devices. Here you can sync 3 devices: Garmin, Strava and MapMyRun. Now say you don't want to auto sync your data. You don't have Garmin, Strava or MapMyRun. So how do we do that then? You can record your run on any of the GPS recording devices and then manually upload the data from your account. That's it. You can go to the FAQ section of HDOR and on our website and find out that how you can do that. There are a lot of videos to help you and guide you there. So from 10th to 16th, now you can run as many times as you want and auto sync your data. And if you're manually doing it, you have to manually every day do it, or you may manually upload it at the end of the event window, that is on 16th. We also give one extra day, a 17th, for those people who are manually uploading, an extra day to complete the uploads. Then on 18th, we are evaluating all the results, and on 19th, we will publish it with the leaderboard. And by 2021, we should be ready to dispatch all the race kit with the beautiful event t-shirt and the beautiful medal. So let's come together from 10th to 16th from wherever you are and run as one. Make your own start and finish line. However I choose to run the trails. Wish you best.